This video demonstrates the ledger report generation. The ledger report is a comprehensive summary of different accounting parts. It is the source of all other financial analysis tools such as profit and loss and balance sheet. Only accounts where transactions have occurred between the chosen dates will display. For each of the accounts, the total debits and credits are displayed. To generate a ledger report, select Duration. Select Account Type. Choose whether you would like to have a summarized report or detailed report. A summarized report have flat single-line account titles, and a detail report is itemized for each row or account entry. Choose Format. Once the report is generated, you can choose to either print or save it to the device. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.